right?
Sure.
Which you shared, I can see you're not prepared. If you are prepared, then you would have had a lot of things. So start well, have pointers in between. So you don't read it. So have pointers. One thing is like, I want to have a goal. What kind of goal you have? Why it's so important for you? What are you going to do in 5 years, 10 years, right? How this is going to help you? How this is going to help your family? All those things. This is your platform. Use the best of it, right? Make the best use of it. And even if you have very short few points, no, then it will become, again, the final assessment should not be like that, right? It would have been okay if it was the first free speech. Now we are in the final assessment. At least try and talk for 10 minutes. And
Sure, sir.
that's a thing which we have. So you want to share. If you don't have content for 10 minutes, you want to talk for 8 minutes, that's fine. But have content that is very important, right? So these are the things. I'm sure you will add up a lot of other things as well, right? And others yesterday as well, they shared, or maybe not yesterday, I think in the morning batch, a lot of other information they shared on the live. So those kind of a thing, you want to do it, you certainly can do that. Okay, brilliant. Rashmi, I think you couldn't do this exercise in the morning batch since you are also a participant of 101. Are you ready, and do you want to do it now? You did yesterday? Okay, fabulous, fabulous. Great. So you did it yesterday. Okay, I completely forgot this activity was done yesterday, not today. Here in class as well, it was done yesterday, and some of the participants who were not there yesterday, we did it today. Okay, fantastic. Thank you very much. So let's go on with our lesson plan. So, so about weather, as Rashmi said, the weather is slightly bit pleasant, I believe. It's raining there, I believe. That's what in Karnataka, I believe. Rashmi, how's the weather there in Karnataka? Is it raining, thunderstorm, those kind of things? Oh, okay, fine. Did it rain very cloudy weather? It is same there in Chennai also. So let's look at speak with other participants as well. So Lalita, how's the weather there at your place?
It's cloudy, sir.
Cloudy. Is the temperature gone down? It's still hot today.
Temperature down, sir, because yesterday too much of rain.
Oh, yesterday it rained?
Yes, sir. At night to 11 p.m.
Okay.
Thunderstorm.
Okay, very good, very good. So we will be very blessed if we get some rain here in Chennai as well, or other parts of the thing. So Lalita, where are you actually? Which place in Karnataka?
I'm from Kundapura, sir. It's from Udupi, nearby.
Okay.
Udupi.
Near Udupi. Okay, fabulous. I think Rashmi is also there, about there only, near Udupi. Okay. And, so let's check with the other two participants, Tamil Nadu participant like me. Yes, how about Aarti? Aarti, you're from Mayiladuthurai, isn't it? Or where are you from? Aarti?
So are you asking me? Aarti.
Yes, Aarti. Yes, Aarti only.
So
not
Viluppuram.
Aarti. Oh, you're from Viluppuram. You said Kadalur, Viluppuram, Pondicherry, Kadalur, Viluppuram. Yes. Nellikuppam is also very near, right? Or very far?
Sorry, sir, I don't know, sir.
You don't know. You're not from Viluppuram, or you are from Viluppuram only?
Viluppuram only, sir.
Okay, born and brought up. How's the weather there in Viluppuram?
So it's as usual, sir. Afternoon only it's weather look like cloudy, but otherwise it's as usual.
As usual. Okay, fine. But it's not that hot, no? Like it was last week and all, where it went to 41 and all. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, brilliant. Fabulous. So let's check with Bharti as well. Bharti, where are you from? Which place in Tamil Nadu?
Some Mayiladuthurai.
You are from Mayiladuthurai.
Yes, sir.
There is one more participant who is in 201. She is also from Mayiladuthurai. Yes. Yes. Tell me, how's the weather there in Mayiladuthurai today? Is it good?
Today it's better, sir, because a little bit raining is coming. So.
Oh wow. Okay.
So climate
Down,
very cool today.
wow, wow, fantastic, fantastic. So down south, I think they have predicted southern Tamil Nadu and other places they have predicted rain. So that's something which is good, great, fabulous. So let's go on. And Chennai as well, as I said, it's a bit cloudy. It is much pleasant. I don't think so. The temperature went beyond 33 or 34 today. So anything around 33, 34 is always pleasant. That's what I feel like. Okay, so when it's also became very cloudy towards later part of the evening, so it is also very fine now as well. Okay, brilliant. So let's go on to our lesson plan. Let's see what we have done. The previous class, which was yesterday. So we got to, let me see. Yes, we did some slides till some soft skills slide. I don't know whether you missed it or you attended. So I'll just have a quick recap and I'll do that now. I'm going to share this screen with you. Okay, so here we go. Okay, apart from Aarti Jaya, who's here, so other two participants were not here, so I can do a quick recap if you want. So these are the soft skills which we are talking about, right? So I believe definitely you would have attended this session. If you haven't attended, we are, apart from English, we also have covered few of the other aspects which is very important in our life, in our professional life, right? So that is called as soft skills. So what are they? These are people skills, social skills, and communication skills, if you want to put it in a nutshell, right? So what is people skill? How you interact with people, how you talk to them professionally as well and personally as well. So, but we kept in a different category. So people skill is like how you talk to them, how you engage with them, what kind of rapport you create, and how you're able to work towards and gel towards as a team. That's very important, right? Social skills is like we all live in society, right? We don't live in isolation. You might be living in isolation alone as well, but you live in a society because you need to buy things which is very important for your survival, like food, various other things, the dress material you wear, other equipment, which is so important in today's life, right? So these are the things. So we live in a society, you interact with neighbors, and even if you if you live in your family, again you have your relatives and other people with whom you interact. So that is very important. You go and visit a shop, and in your locality you become friendly with everyone, right? From the vendor or maybe any other place where you go and buy your provision and things like that, right? So another very important thing is communication. So we will cover that as well. So communication is like what you say and how others are able to receive and respond back. So in simple terms, that's what communication is all about. And these skills we also spoke about. This is very important for your, what do you call, your professional and personal life as well. Professional growth and personal life. Okay. Why this matters? Because if you look at today's company as well, when they conduct an interview, they look at, because they get all the candidates. Yes, you have your rounds in terms of the written test or maybe GD or free speech and all. But finally, how do they segregate? They segregate based on your attitude. Those who have the positive attitude, those who have, those who show better communication, those who are able to understand and respond, right? So those who are confident, those kind of an employee, because they are easily trainable. So that is what they look at. So this is very important for your securing the job as well, and ensuring that you do well in the job and grow as well. That's very important. And as I said, this is no different than your personal life as well, because even in family you need to be a good communicator where you are able to interact and able to explain what you're looking at, how, right? So what are your thoughts on things, right? That's very important in your society, in relative and friend circle as well, which is very important, right? So we did the four here. The first is communication. So communication, as I said, I'm not too sure if you all did attend. So just a quick recap. So communication is something where you're able to say something where other person is able to respond and also comprehend and also able to do, especially a leader. When the leader, if you take it into the professional environment, say suppose today Bharti is a TL, when Bharti is saying something to the 40 members, she has to ensure that she is able to say that in a way where others are able to understand it easily. It's said in a simple language, and then able to do what she is asking the team members to do, right? So that will complete the circle. So will they do everything what Bharti is asking them to do? Maybe, may not be, right? Some may not, right? And also it give an opportunity, if this is a trend where some are not able to do or perform the task as it's required, then Bharti can get and speak to them on one-on-one basis, right? And motivate them or see where it's a difficulty, what can be done and what kind of help is required, show them the bigger picture, right? These are the things which is very, very important for a leader, which is very important more than a boss. Boss is someone who will probably say, do this, do that and all, and I don't know how you do, but you do. But leader is someone who will tell them how to do. That is very, very important. So this gives a good opportunity to go to Bharti. So let's understand what Bharti. So Bharti, you are a leader and you have team members in your group. Tell us what are the challenges you face, and are they able to, is your team able to receive the communication, what you say appropriately, and everybody is able to perform? If there is someone who is not able to perform, what are the things which you do? So it's a good opportunity. We can learn from you, and you can share these things with everybody here in the classroom.
Yeah, yes, sir. In my time, I have a 40 members, but all are have a common thought.
Mm-hmm.
I have separately splitted into 4 teams, like
Okay.
team A, team B, team C, team D,
Fantastic.
and production and quality well performers are in team A. They can easily understand my whatever process updates,
Okay.
management needs, requirements, everything. But team
Fantastic.
C and team D, they struggle to understand and struggle to cooperate. So I
Right.
have discussed with the people individually for every time.
Very
Any
good.
communication to communicate my team, I have
Uh-huh.
called to each and every C and D team members individually and
Okay.
explained in their language. Like
Mm-hmm.
I can message in Tamil to C and D group people, and I can
Okay.
message English to A and B people, because they
Okay.
are understand my words. But
Okay.
C and D I can call and message individually, sir.
Okay. Okay. Fine. And that's very good. So how long you've been leading the team?
I have handled the last 3 years in.
Last 3 years. So now you have become a pro. You know what is pro? Pro is someone who is like a professional, they call. So you would have become a professional, how to handle them. Right. So if somebody is struggling, really struggling to meet the numbers or targets or whatever it is, what is your task? What is that you do? Say, for instance, in C and D, there are few members who are really, really lagging. So what is your, what do you call, technique to bring them up to the level where it is acceptable level? What do you do?
Sir, actually, my strategy is daily I have published the production topper, quality topper in our WhatsApp group.
Very good.
It helps to motivate for all the C and D team members.
Okay. Okay.
And if anyone can struggle to complete the target, means I have take the any test to the system, and give me some shortcuts, because I am also very well in production for my process. So I have individually tell her to how to process in easy way and what is the
Okay.
shortcuts.
Okay.
So like
Okay. Fabulous, fabulous. Do you have all the women members in your team, or do you have some men as well in your team?
yeah, sir. In my team, 10 men's and 30 women's.
Fantastic, Bharti. Very good, very good. Fabulous, very good insight. Brilliant. I think she's been there doing it for 3 years, and her strategy, what she has is because she not only talks among the team but individually as well, and I'm sure she will be motivating them and also giving a lot of what do you call boost, as they say, to do what they have to do, analyze the strength and weaknesses, which is very, very important, right? So, and also she is one very important thing as she does is that you need to highlight those who are really doing well. So that will also motivate everybody what she is doing idly in WhatsApp group, right? Like we do at English at 8 as well. So that gives an opportunity for everybody to see what is happening. And you also get that fame for 5-10 minutes, right? Or maybe for an entire day as well. I believe all of you have one here, the English at 8. So you feel happy when your name comes in and these kind of things. So this helps recognition as well. Fantastic, Bharti, and good to have because it was nice.
Thank you.
Very good. So rather than I explaining, Bharti explained this particular thing, the communication part. What else it could be? So that was really, really best and ideal. Okay. I'm thinking, why not do this thing there in other as well, right? So we have other 2 team leaders in morning batch, so we can do that as well. Okay, brilliant. So, so that is one communication. So Bharti would communicate in a way where the team member are able to receive it and also able to respond it. And if they have issues where they can talk to her and where she can tell them the guideline, or because she has been there for doing this for a long time, she understands in and out. So she would have gone through the same thing, right? Why do elders say something where they say, listen to the wise men, listen to elders? Because elders have gone through the same stages in the life what we have done, right? So they have a lot of wisdom, a lot of experience, which can be shared. Why do people say go and read books? Because books is something, it's like books are, some of the books are, apart from the normal novel and all, some of the books are sheer wisdom, bundle of wisdom. And this bundle of wisdom, you open and read the book, you get the wisdom, right? So how easy it is, right? That person or would have written with a lot of experience, expertise, and so many other things would have shared. So once you go through that, you get ready-made everything, right? You make the ready-made dosa and those kind of ready-made chapati and those kind of thing as well, right? So it's a ready-made thing, and you take what you like, and then you are able to implement, or you're able to cultivate in your life. And what becomes is that you have learned some important skills, and that is their part of your life, right? So so that is a great thing. So this is what it is. So this is good to go to her, and she shared all the inputs, and this is so important. Discipline, we covered that as well. So quickly, discipline is something where discipline is not only waking up in the morning or going to office on time or logging on time or doing the task on time. Discipline about your life as well, in your mind as well. What kind of thought goes into your brain? Is it positive or negative, right? When everything is going fine, why are you worried? There are some who do, right? There's a kind of a worry factor hanging on their head always. So these are the things which is, and also discipline in terms of setting your goal. What do you want to do, right? So these are a very, very bigger factor. Just the word discipline will sound very, very simple, more with the army and all, but this is so important in terms of your life as well. What do you want to achieve? So unless and until this comes here, it may not happen. Teamwork, like again, same with Bharti's team as well. If they work together, she will be able to achieve a target as well. They will be not only able to achieve the individual target, they will be also able to achieve the team target, which is very important. If you look at the rowing boat there, if you are able to see, everybody have a pedal, everybody have to do their bit. Otherwise, the other team, you will be lagging behind, because you will have some set standards which will have to be required to meet. You will not be able to meet, right? So that is so important, right? So this is like every team member, and also what is in it for you. You are learning the process. This is why someone has joined, because they said they will do their best, and then they will exhibit the skill and learn the things where they have difficulty. These are the things we say at the interview, right? So this is the time to do it now, right? Not everything you might know or expect everything can be, you will be an expert in that, but you can become good in that. That's very, very important, right? So team. So when everybody work in synchronize, the team leader becomes an easy task, right? So their task becomes very, very easy. So the next one is attitude. I think this is where we left. Done till attitude. I think we have done attitude as well. So I'll do that as well. Attitude is someone. What is attitude? I think Aarti was here. What is attitude, Aarti?
The way of thinking.
Absolutely, the way you think. Very, very important. Fabulous. Never forget this word. She was here yesterday, and this is also not different than mindset. Mindset is also, but attitude is the right word. His attitude is very negative. His attitude is very positive. Attitude is everything, right? So it's all about your attitude. Meaning, how do you see your life? How do you see yourself? Right? How do you see where you want to go? How do you look only at the negativity around you, or do you look at the positivity, right? So everybody have the same kind of a life, right? So I mean to say, you might think of somebody is blessed with more talent or more skills or better financial strength and all. That's all different. Yes, that is what it is. That is how this world is. Nobody can complain. Right, someone is born into a rich family, someone is born into a middle class family, somebody is born into not that what they call blessed family in terms of the financial thing. But what do you make? How do you make? And do you think someone who is born into a not a financial strength family, or someone who are financially strong, they haven't come up in life, right? Certainly not. There are many, and there are thousands of examples who have done well. So it all depends on, and you can be always thankful that you got this life, and this life is something where you can be, you are blessed, right? So it's all about the attitude which you carry, right? What do you think? How do you think? And how it matters. It's not like getting obsessed every day, day and night, and then you want to do something. It doesn't work that way. You need to enjoy the journey as well, right? So where you can have something where you do what you like, right? So that's why everybody have their own hobbies or something which they really love doing, right? So work is an important aspect in our life. So is your family. So is so many other things as well. So what do you do apart from this as well? So that is very important. So they say attitude is everything. So have a good attitude. So that is very important. Okay. So now we will begin. That was a quick recap for the benefit of two of the participants. So the quick recap is over. Let's do today's two topics, which is career and confidence. So what is career? What is career? Anyone? I explained this before. I given a word sentence as well. What is career?
Passion or profession.
Okay. Career is not passion, but career is definitely profession, right? So what do you do in terms of your, what do you call, your occupation, right? Occupation or profession, that's what Google also says, especially, right? So that is what it is, occupation or profession. So career. So we did this as a sentence as well. I think it was given in, I'm not too sure whether it was given in your assessment as well. But never forget this one. This is not career, which is not CAR. RIER. It's not career, it is career, right? So there's a different pronunciation. So never forget this word. So career, what it's career, your occupation or profession, right? So in today's world, we are all blessed today. right? If you look at some 50, 60 years ago, when our father or maybe our forefather, see, people say the life was much better, but we have more facilities today, right? We have something known as, if we live in villages, the electricity was a kind of an issue, right? The water could be today an issue as well. If you need something, there is a lot of help. The medical facilities have become much, much better. The quality of life. I've seen people who struggle for a couple of meals also, right? I am sure all of have gone through this particular stage where getting food on plate for 3 times was difficult. But look at now, things are a bit changed. Unfortunately, many of us are blessed, right? So we have, we don't have to worry about these things. So these are the things which is available. Even look at lockdown. During lockdown, we had smartphone, we had smart TV, right? So in terms of the entertainment question, getting the information right at our fingertip, everything was there, and we could connect to everyone with this phone as well. So these are the things which we are blessed today, right? And what we are blessed as well, we are also blessed where there are a lot of opportunities, right? If you look at 20, 25 years ago, there were hardly anything, right? You can go become a doctor, become an engineer, or maybe work in the government services, or there were private companies as well, but the opportunities were very less. But look at now, how banking has grown, how insurance has grown, right? There's a process known as Zomato, which is there. Was it there 10 years or 15 years ago? No, it was not, right? So, and companies like Desi Crew, they're taking work to rural places where somebody is sitting at Mailadurai or maybe Viluppuram or Kapu or Kollu or maybe Udupi. They are able to connect and they are able to work from their convenience as well. And pandemic also have ensured that what is required to work, you need a system and also an internet. So why not people work from home? So this is also a great advantage which people are able to do. So this is a facility, and women as well, because you look at Desi Crew, we need not go anywhere beyond 70% of the strength is women, right? So you all can have a great career as well. All of you have studied, graduation, or some would have studied more than that as well. So you have skills, right? You might be good at very many things. You might need some help in few things, but you all have skills, and these skills can be used to work in a company, right? Why this thing is so important? Because we need a livelihood. We need a profession and occupation to earn money. That's a very, very important thing. You have to live this life, and this is something where you go to market, you want to buy something, you need money, right? So that's very important. So, and also, this is very important. Even women, tomorrow women settle down and have a family as well. It's great thing because you get additional income, and that income can be used for the betterment of your family, right? So these are the great thing, great opportunity. And women are also career oriented today. They also want to have a career. They want to work like you all are doing. So that's a great thing. Apart from that, you all also have growth ambition, like Bharti here, and in the morning session, few of them, right? So where they are TL, team leaders. So this is a great opportunity. This is a great time actually. If someone who wants to put their, have a great career, so you can think about that. What is the kind of what kind of future you want to have in terms of the professional thing, in terms of career? What are the strengths you have? What are the weaknesses you have? What are the things I want to become good at? One could be language, which you are doing now. How I can improve on that? How it will help me in long run? What else in terms like if it is something known as some skills which is required out of the work? How you can become better, right? What else is required to do some training? There are a lot of free training and those kind of things are also available to get better on that, right? So these are the things. So the focus all will come through attitude only, right? So the focus on career where you're not only enjoying the journey, but you're also honing your skills, you're making your skills better, and so that you can have a very, very fruitful, very long, and also a growth-oriented career. So that is something which will be. I'm sure others will be thinking of how you can go to the next level, right? So I'm sure all will get an opportunity when the time comes, and when you are ready, you will get that. Okay, so this is one. So career, which is a very, very important thing, and this is another very, very important soft skills. And the last but not the least, because I can't have everything here, because we have there could be 200, 300 soft skills as well. Sense of humor itself is a soft skills, right? Common sense is a soft skill, right? And flexibility is a soft skills, right? So everything is soft skills. We are covering some important thing. I've given a kind of a thoughts to you what is soft skills. So let's go to the last but not the least of this one, this particular slide, which is confidence. So confidence is pretty important. So let's check out with you. What do you mean by confidence, and what is confidence? Let's check with the participant. Let also make you talk. Lalita, what do you think about confidence? What is confidence according to you, and how confidence can?
Confidence gives extra strength.
Extra strength. Okay. Okay. How does it come from? Okay, fine. Strength, she's saying. Lalita, thank you. So let's go to Aarti. Aarti, what do you think about confidence? What is confidence?
Being a fearless person is confidence.
Okay, being fearless. Okay, this is confidence. Brilliant, Aarti. Anything else you want to add, or that's it? Okay, so I believe that's what she have to add, and then I'll go to Bharti then. Bharti, what do you think confidence is?
Express the inner strength.
Absolutely, inner strength, right? So these are the things which is confidence. Okay. So confidence is nothing but the belief which you have, believe on yourself, trust on you, right? There are a lot of videos which is being shared. This also says that believe in you. So that's kind of a motivational videos as well, right? What's being shared at English at 8. So the first important thing is that if you don't believe on yourself, who will believe, right? So the first thing is that you believe, right? So the important thing is that it's not like so that's where the confidence comes from. The first important thing is the belief, the trust on yourself. Yes, I can do it. Yes, I will be able to do it. So that's very important. But apart from this, you need to also put the efforts as well. Okay. Tomorrow is free speech. Okay. I believe myself. I'll do. Will that happen? Because this is a language which we have come to learn. So we need to prepare something. We need to have some pointers. We need to think how we are going to talk. And we need to think about what do I like. Right, those are the topics which I need to bring, and I can do it in the class. And let me prepare that. Let me do some rehearsal, and I can prepare and bring it in the class. So that is like what do you call? Preparation is also important. It's not like I'm confident. We get up. I don't do anything, but I'm confident. That kind of confidence is not a confidence. See, that is like being lethargic, right? Lethargic is another word I can give in the class. Lethargic. So let me make a note of it, otherwise I'll forget it. Okay, so lethargic is another word. Lethargic, I can give you this word. I'll explain that later. That would be lethargic, right? You are saying I'm confident, I'm good, and I can do whatever I can do and all. That's not confidence. That's like overconfidence, or like that's like foolishness as well, because you're not putting your effort and you're saying that I'm confident that or not. That can be there, but you need to put in your efforts as well. That's very important, right? So that is very, very important. So this is a very, very important aspect, how you can live your life, whether you want to live half confident, or you want to live in a nervous way, or you want to live in doubt or self-doubt or hesitation, or you want to live confidently. You want to live believe yourself, and like Aarti also said, fearless, That's how you want to live. Fearless also, I feel like somewhere it has got limitation, right? So somewhere down the line, yes, you can go ahead and do what you want to do, but again, you need to keep a lot of things in your mind as well, right? See where you want to be fearless. How do you want your energy to be used, right? Let's not be fearless somewhere where there's no point. It doesn't make anything to prove to them, right? What's the point in being fearless? But fearless in your life, fearless in your decision, fearless in thinking what you really want to do, right? So these are the things which is important. So this is actually very, very important. Self-confidence or confidence. When you have confidence, you also have more self-respect on yourself, right? You start respecting you as well. Your personality also improves. See, what is personality? Personality is like, it's not the way, the attire you wear. What is attire? The dress, right? So that could be another word. I can give you that word as well, attire. I'll make a note of that. Attire. Right. It's not like the attire which you wear or how you comb your hair, how you do your hair, right? What slippers or what shoe you're wearing. No, that's not, that's just an exterior look. How you talk, right? How confident you are able to carry yourself. That's very important. Able to carry yourself is very, very important, right? And so this all comes through confidence. How you're able to express yourself, how you're able to listen to others, what is the pointers they are sharing, how you're able to engage with them, how you're able to socialize with them, right? What kind of skills you have in that thing. So these are the things which builds a personality. And the knowledge is also very important. Everything is also knowledge, right? So that is also very important. So being confident, there is no two ways about that. This is a very, very important skill. So you have to be confident on yourself. You need to be confident on your skill and also understand where you're strong and what are the things you need to improve. If you want to make a note of these things on a day-to-day basis, there are a lot who write a diary. Nowadays, you have phone as well. You can write notepad as well. You can write. A lot of experiences can be noted down. Somewhere, something you would have done great. How did you feel? How did you do that? It can be noted down. So this is all. It need not to be on Google, right? Google need not share everything. Something you can share. You know better. You know your life better than anybody else. So something what you did, make a note of it, right? Something which you don't feel happy, or something, an error or a mistake or a judgment, a wrong judgment you took. So you make a note of it so that in future you will not be able to do. So this is our personal wisdom, right? And see that these are the things, and something you learn from your learning in your life, which is a good skill to have. Make a note of it, right? So it's not like all the great tomorrow. You never know. You might have a lot of things to share. And today is a world where there is a lot of opportunity. You can create a blog. You can share on the YouTube. You can start a channel. You can do wonderful things, as I said. So today is the age which gives you all the opportunity. Who knows, tomorrow you want to compile that and put into a book in your language or English or any other language, you certainly can do that. So these are the things. So confidence is key. So there is nothing is achieved without confidence. All the great successes, where they were not confident on themselves, their skill, their life, their ability, right? They wouldn't have achieved what they have achieved. But again, ability also, honing the confidence is also very important. Understanding what's your strength and what's your weakness, how you can make it better. These are the important things which is there. Okay, brilliant. So we will end with this now. So what we will do is that we will go to yesterday's sentences, and I'll also stop sharing the screen. And I'm not too sure if Bharti and there's only one participant who can do that. I believe that is Bharti. Rest Lalita and all, they are not aware. I'm sure Lalita and Bharti.
Yes, sir. Yeah. No, sir. I'm already asked with Sushma.
Okay, and you got it?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay, so you have those sentences with you?
Sorry, sir.
Do you have you made those sentences?
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh, fabulous, Bharti. Brilliant. How about Lalita?
No, sir.
Why?
Yesterday I'm not well, sir. That's why I'm not discussed.
Okay, fine. So make this sentences and don't make for anybody, make for yourself in your well. Go through this vocabulary and make for yourself if you can do that. Okay, brilliant. So let's go to first of all, Aarti Jaya. Can you start typing if you have? Have you typed it on your system? Yeah, put it there. And Bharti, if it's there on your system, you can cut, copy, and paste it here in the chat box so that we can have it reviewed. Brilliant. So Bharti have done that. Brilliant, fabulous one, Bharti. Yes, Bharti. What are the sentences you made? All tiny and short one. Maybe lack of timing. Anyway, I'm happy you made this. Yes, tell me. It takes hardly 2-3 minutes, right? We may not have, I'm sure, we must be busy and we might have a lot of things. How much time it takes to make the sentence? 2-3 minutes. Okay, brilliant. So let's go on. Yes, Bharti, what are the sentences? Please read it out.
Yes, sir. First word, toxic.
Uh-huh.
This product are not toxic to humans.
Fantastic, very simple one. These products are not toxic. So what is toxic? Which is like not,
Okay, sir.
which is not good or which is like harmful, right? Chemicals are toxin. Toxic can be toxin as well. So those kind of a thing. Brilliant. What is the next one?
So second one, echo.
Uh-huh.
Her performance was stirred to the echo.
Okay. What is the meaning of echo?
Reflection.
Absolutely, reflection. She also shared the same, she also echoed the same thought which I have. So that is also echo, right? Echo. So it can be thoughts as well, it not be sound. So one word can be used in a different way. So that's another thought which I'm sharing with you. Brilliant. So what's the next one?
Third one, crib.
Uh-huh.
I wanted my sister to don't crib my dresses.
I want my sister not to crib my dresses.
Okay.
Okay, not to. Don't meaning not to crib my dresses.
Okay, sir.
Okay, crib. Right, cribbing can be another thing as well. Somebody who's always cribbing, meaning always crying. They are saying this is not right, right, this is there, that is there. That's also cribbing. Cribbing is another one where it can be writing something as well. So that is also there. Okay, brilliant, Bharti. I appreciate that you have taken effort to get the sentences and made it. And this is only going to help you, right? And, we are at the fag end of our training program. And right, so hopefully just another week. This week is completed, then the next week, and then we are done. Oh, fine. Yes, Aarti, what are the sentences you got?
Yes, sir. First, grip. Don't grip others' thoughts as yours.
Okay, don't crib. Right, crib. C-R-I-B, crib. Don't crib others' thought as yours. Don't copy others' thought as yours. So that is also the meaning of crib. To copy somebody else's work or pretend it's your own. Right? Somebody have written a poem and you're coming and showing that you have got that. Right? So brilliant. So that is another very good sentence. Yes. What is the next one?
So next, echo. If we heard our voice back, it is called as an echo.
Okay. She made what is the meaning of echo? If we heard our own voice, if we heard our own voice back, it is called as echo. Fabulous. Yes. Good thought. What's the next one?
Toxic. Lead is a highly toxic metal.
Absolutely. Lead is a highly toxic metal. Lead, L has to be capital. I'm sure you would have gotten it. And usually they say don't start a word with if, right? But that's fine. Just thought. So that word is completely fine. When you start with caps. Fabulous, Aarti. Fantastic. So let me share the 3 words which I typed here. If you look into the chat box, one is abruptly. So abruptly, she handed a free speech abruptly, meaning suddenly she stopped. Since he applied the brakes abruptly, the passenger sitting on the on the back seat or the pillion jumped out of the thing suddenly, unexpected, right? So abruptly. he abruptly called for a meeting without giving enough notice. So that could be done abruptly. So I'm sure this has been made. Very good word to have, abruptly, right? Don't take decision in abruptly in haste. So that way also we can make. Very good word to have. And also, as I said, go through that words often, right? Unless you do it maybe weekly once for few weeks, and then what will happen is that you'll never forget. If tomorrow or maybe after 1 week, if somebody asks what is abruptly, oh, I have listened somewhere, it's there, but I'm not getting it. It can happen. So you need to go through few times, and that's why I'm making you to use the sentences. Vocabulary is like you can know the meaning and vocabulary is done. But when you make into the sentences, that's more chances of it there getting into your mind. Okay, so that is one. Next is lethargic. So what is lethargic? Somebody who has got a lazy attitude, very lazy, very lethargic, right? He's so lethargic in everything in life, meaning he's not very interested with his life, right? Sluggish, right? Very sluggish, very slow, right? If lethargy keeps into our life, God save us. Meaning, if lethargy, meaning we are taking everything lightly, we are not interested in anything. If lethargy creeps into our life, God save us, right? So that's another word. Okay, let's not be, this task is very important. You can't be lethargic, right? Or else even one small mistake can end in a big error. So that's some process they are talking about where you can't be lethargic. It could be a banking thing, or maybe share market, or maybe what else? A satellite launch, where even 1 second could be so many kilometers away, right? So you can't be lethargic in these processes. You have to be spot on. Okay, so this is another word. What is attire? Attire is like the dress what you wear. So that is attire, right? So so that is attire. So attire, right? The clothes, right? Attire. I was so impressed with this attire. I asked him where does he do his shopping from, right? I was so impressed, right? So just because he wears good attire, it doesn't mean he thinks his thoughts are also good. That could be another thought as well. Just because somebody who looks good or maybe dresses good, right, may not be the same, right? And you need to protect and take care of your attire. Otherwise, what would happen is that you will spoil your attire pretty soon. As they say, you need to wash it properly, or maybe even if you put it on sun, you can't put. Some people they dry the clothes they put in the morning, and tomorrow evening they will take it. What will happen? And this kind of summer, the color will fade, and these kind of things, right? So this is one good thing to have. So you need to protect your attire. And another word I made is like attire is just because he wears good attire or she wears good attire may not mean that they have good thoughts inside. So this is another way how we can make it. Okay, brilliant. So we had a limited, it's unfortunate because of the rain and all, we have limited participant, but it's great that all of you three participants could join. Okay, so that is fabulous. So good to have. And so let's prepare and bring your free speech trial tomorrow, right? So Lalita, add some points and all, make it bigger, and I'm sure you will do that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And also see this sentences also. It should not take more time. I know you are not well and all. Hopefully you will get well soon. So that is something I also wish you. Okay, and rest of the participants, I'm sure you have got the sentences, and also good on Bharti, because she has got the sentences from Shushma. Yes, because she's kind of an, because she keeps a track of all the words, and when I need it for assessment, I go to her, so she shares that. That is something, and good to have Aarti as well, and brilliant. So hopefully tomorrow I'm looking forward to this particular thing where we will do the trial. And I know everybody is pressed for work. I completely agree. This is, and I also congratulate all of you for being regular here, right? So this is an 8-week kind of a thing, and also an interactive session. But if you look back, you will definitely see the benefits, right? And so that is something which you are getting. Yes, of course, here and there when you're not available, that's fine. You can't do anything about that. And we just have got another, how many days? Around 6 days or so, right? 6 days or maybe 7 or so, right? So please ensure that you are regular here so that we can have the completion in a great way. So I wish you all good evening, right? And so we have come to an end of this session, and I hope I'll see all of you tomorrow. And take care and bye for now.